My people for house, how una dey? This na TMC TV where they give you better information. My name na Naija, and right now I stand at Gidigba for urban markets. We want waka enter market, ask people wetin they think about this new naira issue where they on ground. People where they sell, they see and collect for people where they come buy, and people where they go bank, they see and collect for counter. And wetin be your plan? You where still they collect the old naira notes for the deadline of 31st. May you follow me enter market.
This Nigeria, now I can't be like say we just they follow them like mumu. They don't get us for heart. If they get us for heart, normally before they change money. Now if you go bank, if you carry old one go, they'll give you new one. If you carry old one go, they'll give you new one. This one, if you go bank, now old one they'll still give you. Even then before yesterday, my daughter go bank, now old one they carry give her. Where the some of us see the new money? I be they don't want they want maybe say we stay inside hunger inside. That's what me not understand though.
Mama, people where they come buy pork meat, they still they bring old notes come your place. You they collect am?
They bring old notes too. I go collect because if I don't collect, I go say. If I don't say, I go chop. I must surely collect.
So these people, I come meet them for POS stand. They want collect money, but now old money they give them. They say they no want collect. Me want ask them say why they no want collect old notes.
This morning where they come up for school, NNPC to be precise. We enter bus. Driver say no fit collect old money. Say na new money go collect. Say they don't give them instruction from microfinance bank. Say maybe they collect new money or 100 naira and 50 naira. So we come ring road now. We say okay, no deposit the old money we will get. We find where we go withdraw new money. We don't go 3 stand now like this. We no see new money. Now this old money we see for there.
I don't get anything to talk about. Maybe they do start to dispense the new money because me I don't even tire myself. Because if not for the bus we will enter today, na person will pay for us because the driver say no, we'll collect the old money at all unless we give her the new money. Say Uniben Microfinance Bank don't give her instruction already. So I just tire. I don't even understand again.
The thing be say they collect deposits, but if I give them, they know they will collect. They'll say they expire on the 31st. Me don't tire because if I go bank now, the money too much. Bank sef no collect which if na 500 they no go collect. I beg go make they extend the date. Na they beg government.
So now old money you still get for hand?
Na old money me get because they deposit. Me no fit say I no go collect am.
So if they no come extend this 31st date where they talk, wetin you want come do?
Me I no collect again. Everybody go dey like that because the money no go useless from my hand.
How you see this new naira note issue? Because they talk say by 31st, most start to spend this new naira notes. You don't see the new naira note.
For the new naira note self, in every day time self, if you go POS self, say you want collect money, they'll still give you the old one. If you go ATM for bank, now see old one. So the matter how do find say 31st now who want withdraw now go draw small. Because you know I want big.
As they carry and go shop, the shop people they collect.
For if you can't go where mostly old do me, hey forget to. They'll take you say my picking, we no collect it because you know they want to do one. Yeah do.
Yeah, they want to hungry kill us because we not put eye for anywhere apart from this money.
Even for mama hand, most see the money where they mama hand.
If I put all this money, I never see her for face. I never see her for face.
But mama, una where they sell market, una still they collect old money even with the deadline where they put.
Where the new money? Where the new money? Who they buy not get new money? I want to we today. Now this one they see give me for bank today.
Let me beg them. Let them put another 1 month to join. Let them put another 1 month to join.
Before the money go finish. Make them do one like that.
New money I not see am tese for urban market o. They say they want change money I get account. I get bank. I want do am make na help me ask them. Fuel matter. Hey, wahala too much o.
They all they follow us they use new money to they buy something. Now old money since when money they come, me never see am for. And na information I take the year I never see am. They don't follow us use am to buy something. Now old money I beg. More na let am circulate. More na bring am come out anywhere it dey. And more na see extend the date. More na never stop her o because hungry dey o. Hungry and fuel. They don't feel they buy fuel. I beg government. More na help us.
So how you say on the 31st, you know if it work. Unless maybe they want to cause another big problem for Nigeria.
So people see they come by with old note, you see they collect am.
And they collect am, wetin I want do? You want okay, maybe I miss well. I don't tell them, they say they don't want, they don't hear. So I feel they collect the old one. And my customer, when I follow by the meat, say I sell the meat, I quick put the money for your account. So now so the matter be.
When you go bank, go collect money, now old note they see they give you for there.
Now old note.
Since morning now, old one now they see, I never see new one, never say anything. I don't know that they turn Nigeria to hungry day Nigeria. Hungry day Gadagba. Since morning now, never say 1 naira.
But mama, your customers they bring old note, see they come.
No, that's for my oyegbe now. See oyegbe. I'll be saying I go call. Give you go. I'll be hard money be this one. Then new one day. Hey.
The governor of the central bank said the deadline is going to be on the 31st. And if you still go to the bank as at now, in the bulk room, they are still paying the old notes. So I don't really know how that one will work. I think if from time, the new Naira notes was being used to pay, it would have been okay. I am of the opinion that the central bank governor should extend it for some months, especially like those at the interiors. If not, they will lose much money.
So as you want to take buy beans now with old Naira notes, the person where they sell for you, waiting in talk.
They still collect at the market rather. When I came to the market, I brought some old notes and some new notes that I've been using it to buy. So they are still collecting.
My sister, I never see a thing like this. It's just as if they just hit something, say, oh yeah, make una dey do am. That's what it's supposed to be. Huh? Not be so it go be. Now easy, they go take comot the money from us. We not just everybody not just park itself, the old money go bank. Even up to now, bank they release the money, the old money. We never see new money. Me, I never see all the money we do with me now. This old one I do with me. I never see the new one. But now which time me I will can't change the one we there with me.
How you they take do and now if you go market, the people where they say they agree collect own money from your hand.
They collect. They collect. If they want give me change, now I take they take the change. Now the old one that they give me.
You don't go bank, go withdraw money.
I never go bank, but I don't go ATM. The ATM when I go, I don't go Eco Bank. Eco Bank now the old one now they give me. As it be so, they go extend them. Make with the change. Anyone enter bank, they go hold and give us the new one. Not be this one will be say they just they hurry. We go enter bank, we go give them the old one. They will still give us back the new one. I mean the old one. So that's what it go be.
This new money matter. You don't see am.
I never see her. Since where this new money they come, I never see her. They say we return money. Money where they do business, we don't return her. But we never see the new money. We don't know as we want to do. We went they go market now. Like tomorrow now, we won't go market. I know if we can go now. Because if I go to village now village market now they go. If I reach village, they go say they not go collect old money, say they don't show new money. Because of that now, me no coffee go market tomorrow now. I don't know as person want to do.
Your customers they still they bring old money come.
Since morning when I dey here, since now old money I dey dey sell. See the old money where dey my apron. I never see new money for SSC. All of them are old money. I never see new money. And they beg government if not the one where they go draw and go front small, so that when we figure that ourselves. Now that one mean they beg government. If they fit do one for us, we market women where they do business we go happy. When they do business go happy.
The only thing we notice for this country is saying a poor man and they suffer the pain. You understand? What I mean by saying a poor man they suffer the pain, be say they tell us say issue new money go expire on 31st. And right now the new money that we no see them. They get like yesterday I go withdraw money for bank. I was surprised when I go withdraw money yesterday they still give me old money. So how do you new money want to circulate? Shows that say the new money no day. You understand? So right now we the poor masses now we they suffer the pain. Even the thing like this, like make every day scanty, no customer, nothing, all this kind of thing. So let's go and look into the issue. That's my whole suggestion for inside. Yeah.
As they do business, people when they come buy business for your hand, they still they bring the old Naira come.
I have no choice. They still they bring the old money they come. I know if you say at this money, I never say one market. Last one person come manage, come give me old money. I say I'm not go take. It's not done. Even if you have to say we go exchange old money, we will see prolong the thing. They made the print a long, made them postpone them. They made the print enough cash, and then the money will enter bank. You're not supposed to come out again. they get. That's my suggestion.
How do you expect when new money is not at hand? You are expecting people to not to sell their goods. It's not going to work. They should postpone it. They should postpone that. They should give us time for this money to come in. If this money comes in now, you don't expect that people will still be using the old money. So let the money circulate. Then before you know, with time, the old one will go off the market.
You just need to give like some people time a little bit, because the thing never really circulates. You understand? Some people still get like old naira for hand, where they never really. Some people never will see this call. Like yesterday, I see one lady. She asked me. She would even ask when I don't see this new naira, and I said yes. She said she never seen her for her since when the money come outside. Like now, because I say but the thing already they circulate but small. But anyways, the thing still there okay, sure.
You don't spend the naira notes?
Yes, I don't spend naira like 1,000 naira, 200. Yes, I don't spend naira.
And if you go market, you carry this money give people?
Yes, and they accept, yes.
The new money, not they come. If we reach bank to go collect a new money, make we give them the old one, they go say no. Say now old one, I they still get. They not bring the new one out. That be the issue now.
Mama, since this new notes come out, you don't see her?
I don't see her for her.
You don't spend her?
Nah, I don't. Now few now I spend.
So now that you want buy something, what you want give them? Now old one have been a new one.
Now as I they buy since 11 o'clock where I come market. Now old one now they take.
And they collect her for your hand?
Before they collect her, they talk now. Say na new one I didn't want, but I know see new one give them. Now old one now still they give them. Make they bring them out many. That's the new one. Make it see and use. That's the new one. We not want the old one again. And the new one I will want. Make it easy for us.
As a fair do the other one. If old one reach their hand for bank, they go seize them. They bring new one come out. Yeah, they bring new one. Sure, make the new one plenty. He as they push out, they come out. The old one where reach their hand for bank, they go the season. Make them say that if they just stop on this on the first now, people go die for hunger.
Without new money, I not go sell. And they not go take and follow me back. I think this one I want waste for my hand. I want to now. Now ask me, they ask you. Now question me, they ask you now. See, now so old money. Now they take pay me today. Me they beg them, make them send them. So I not get new money. I don't want to follow me back now. You get new money. Now I want to talk. See the change. Now so old money. See, I not see new money. So now beg a day. Make them send them. I not get. You hear?
On top this matter of money, we don't waka from urban market, enter Central Park, now we there for Lagos Street. But now the same story dey everybody mouth. The market women, they talk the same thing. Men where they do business, they talk the same thing. Even people where they buy goods, they talk the same thing. They say may they increase the dates where government don't give us, or may they make new money may come. Because people where they say, they don't want to collect old notes from people again, but how they go take do? If they want to sell market, they must collect. I beg bank, may una try they give us new money. And Central Bank, may they try extend this date if it is possible. So that even men and women wait there for the grassroots, they go fit see this money, may they spend. Then you know loss. Now TMC TV be this, and my name na Nigo Idako.